Okay, I'm bringing you along with me for this either failure or what we hope will be a success. Kind of to recap, this has got this is glass. And I can't just drill with any drill bit. And it's got about a, I don't know, 1/4 inch hole in that probably. And it needs to be 3/8 so that I can drop this through the 3/8 inch hole and then put a nut on it and then cap it with this. Because what we're going to do is extend the light fixture up a bit so it's not against the glass. So put some tape on that. I'm not sure if that's going to do anything. I got it sitting on my old workbench from day one in here. It's the old cabinet from the kitchen. I went and bought about a $30 diamond tip bit. That's way bigger than I need because they didn't have a 3/8. So this will be a 1/2 inch hole if it does go through. So we'll see. Again, I don't know if this is going to work or not. But we're going to try. Worst case scenario, glass shatters, cracks, whatever. Take it out, cut a piece of frosted plexiglass, put that in there so I can drill with any drill bit. But I just need this hole to be bigger, and I don't know if this is going to do it or not, but here we go. Oh boy, it's already kicking up dust. Maybe it will. All right, I'm not going to put any pressure on it. I'm going to let the diamond do its business. I can hear it. Listen. Sounds like gritty sand. Here we go.
But you know what? I need to get it up because I'll be drilling into wood. So I need to gas, raise that up a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to lose the wood face I thought I was going to have, but I'd rather not drill the diamond tip into wood.
Cracked it. Dang it. Well, we tried, right? Well, we gave it a shot. I think the vibration from the drill bit going through an existing hole did the piece of glass in, so that didn't work. So plan B is now in effect. We will shop around for a piece of frosted plexiglass, and that just solves everything. Then I just need to, measure from here to here, center it, drill the hole, be done with it. I got a little sidetracked out there with the rocket launch, but look at this. This is going to work good, I think. So, that'll get dropped down in there, glued. But before I do that, I'm going to put on a frosted film, like a window tint on here, and see if that helps. But boy, that actually cut real nice with the jigsaw. All right, let's see if we can get that tint on there. Well, in theory, more wallpaper application, it seems. Get the plastic wet as much as I can. It's all beaten off. I need to peel off this protective layer and then slide it on, squeegee it off. Should stick. And I might do both sides just to double this up because you can see through that pretty easy. But it'll help. That cut really nice. Look at that. So far, so good. Well, it's easier than I thought for now. Squeegee all this out. Trim it. I'm going to cut right around it. Flip it over and do it on the other side. Okay, frosted film applied to both sides of that acrylic. Squeegeed out. Boy, that looks good. Now I just need to trim it. Trim both. I just left them both on there. I'll trim them at the same time. All right. Man, could it really work out this easy now? No more hiccups, no more hurdles. Here we go. I might let this dry tonight, just so it really gets stuck on there good, because I can see that when I try to pick it up, the edges pop off, but that might be all right. But look at that, look at that. You know, if you get a couple inches away from it, that really frosts it out. Look at that. That might be perfect for the lamps up there. I just need to get a little X-Acto blade and cut that out. Okay, I think that's good. I ran a bead. I had to run and get some more glue sticks, but I ran a bead around all of that. So now I'm hoping that's good enough that the lens will always be attached to the side. You know, I guess the worst thing that could happen, this is all hung from the ceiling, and that glue, you know, gave out someday. The shade might slip, but these little brackets would, you know, catch it. I might even run a little wire or something like that, just to make sure. I like glue, but I don't trust it all the time. But that's really sticking good to the glass and to the plastic, so I think it's fine. But now I'm gonna mount the lamp in the hand. That almost looks like it was made for that, doesn't it? Look at that. Is this gonna work? Is this an April Fool's joke? It's just going together so easy, and then something's gonna just say, nope, can't work like that. I don't know, I'm gonna try these. It says it can handle 60-watt bulbs, but I don't know if I need, in that hallway, you know, what is that? 180 watts. So I got 40, this would be 120. I'm gonna try that, see what it looks like. And all I gotta do is take the other one down and then put all this hardware on there. It's got a little beauty ring, so it's gonna look nice hanging from the ceiling. I think we're in good shape. We're gonna go take that other one down now and then try it out. I'm gonna change out this light fixture in the hallway. It's, oh, okay, I like it. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. Works fine. It just popped a bulb when I showed you that. Oh, well. Well, good timing, right? But a little splash of color right there, I think, is gonna make this hallway really come to life. So, hey, let me work on this in the dark. I'm gonna take that one off and put the new one on. The light is hung. Let's see if I was crazy. Let's see if the vision was way off balance. I kind of like it, even off. It's adding a lot of color in this hallway. I like it. It couldn't have came together any better than it did. I love it. That frosted film, you can't see the 3 bulbs up in there. All right, let's do it. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Count down with me. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It's the picture's a little more washed out. It's showing its true colors rather than being all illuminated like you see in the picture maybe. There we go. There you go. That's what it looks like all the time right there. Wow, look at that. I can't believe it. That came out so cool. From the bathroom. So that's 4 or 3 40-watt bulbs in there. bright enough. Totally bright enough.
Startup, 50 seconds to go.
We should see it right here.
Keep your eyes on the
This
base,
is where I'm looking.
The pad there, you'll see
And the storm has
the
just blown off the
water
coast out there.
The water-based
This is gonna
sound
be
suppression system fire up.
easy to see tonight. It's gonna go right up.
We're go for launch.
We'll go for launch, yeah.
Fantastic.
30 seconds.
Here we go. Backyard viewing.
This is a
Can't beat that.
trajectory. So if you are in Florida and you're not already outside, now might be a good time. 15 seconds to go. There's the water. Under 10. There's the T-Tab igniting the engines. There's ignition.
Oh man,
and
here we go.
liftoff of Fram 2, the very first human mission to a 90-degree inclined polar orbit.
Here we go. Where is it? Oh, I can see it coming up right there. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Never gets old. Man, it is so clear tonight.
Vehicles approaching max Q. I always hesitate to talk over that crackle.
I agree. Look at that. Imagine these airplanes.
So
Fly-
cool.
See
Different
it?
perspective as well of the trajectory. You can see that.
Yeah, compared to our normal, trajectory launches out of the Cape, this is just very visibly going sort of sidewards to the camera.
Yeah.
You can see the exhaust plume expanding, this
Look at
time
that.
from a different perspective as the vehicle ascends into thinner and thinner air.
Ooh, side by side. Look at that.
Look at
That expansion is completely normal. Coming up should be main engine cutoff,
It looks like you can
age
even
separation.
see gimbling. Like it looks like the
Still
vehicle
see
is
it.
turning.
Been taking little swims in the morning after the little workout. So that's been nice having that. There's the speed bag. Got that up. Picked this up today, a little weight bench somebody was selling for a pretty good price. So I think the gym is pretty complete. The only thing I'm finding that I would like to have is a set of 15s and maybe 20s right in there. It's a pretty big jump, when you go from 10 to 25. It'd be nice to have a 15 or 20. And I guess that's it. Top row, need a couple more, maybe 5s, 15 and 20, just to make that a complete light before you get into the heavies. Work on that, trying to find some. I can go to a store and get it, but it's just kind of fun to find them out in the wild. Somebody's selling for a good price. That's kind of half bulb burned out this week. So I figured out how to get it out and ordered a new one off of Amazon, but no more of these probably energy using 400 watt bulbs, I picked up an LED, which should give me a pretty cool look. Black and blue. I wonder what that means. Just the housing, I hope. It's supposed to be all the colors, and it'll change colors. Got a remote control, little antenna built in, so that if you're nearby, you can change the color of the pool. Oh, here we go. Look at all these colors tonight. I have to check it out. 80% power savings. Look at that. 50,000 hours. Okay, let's get this baby installed. This one, I need to undo all of these. I got new seals to go in there. So that one's probably pretty. Oh yeah, look at that. That's just rotting away. But hopefully a new seal works. Hopefully everything here that I bought plays nicely with what I've got. So we'll see. Here we go. Here's the old one. 120 volts, 400 watts. And then here's the new LED bulb. Look at that. There's the antenna for the remote control. And it should just screw in. Hopefully this gasket fits and we're all set. Okay, let's see what we got here. It's taking me a minute. I didn't realize there was an on-off switch buried on the side of that thing. So, and why is it labeled F and N? So, light over there's off. There it's on, red. Let's see, green, blue, yellow, cyan, purple, white. 7 color gradual. Must be going to be changing colors.